Training and Placement Cell Manipur University na Confederation of Indian Industry CII ka kutsam na nasindana namit nini chathakadaba Job and Placement Fair English sanganiga kun kamanga gi thoram ama Manipur University ki VC Professor N Lokendra na ngasi thokkhrae thoram aduda MU gi IQAC Director Professor A Rasmani Singha Training and Placement Cell gi Director Professor CH Ibol Meite amadi Confederation of Indian Industry CII gi Regional Head Amaljeet Das yawna tongan industry sector da labor sing miyoi kaya na saruk yaki thoram ga mari lenina Training and Placement Cell MU gi Director Professor CH Ibol Meite na haikibada ahan boina Training and Placement Cell na sinduna manung mapung fana lam kayada degree pairaba mahiroi singi chawna khudong chaba oiragani haiki mahiroi singna lakpiduna job fair asida saruk yaranaba appeal tawrakli thoram ga mari lenina MU VC Professor N Lokendra na haikibada NEP 2020 na lakpada mahiroi singda skill mapung fana leihanbagi takai fadaba leiri pangthokliba job fair asida thabak thiriba mahiroi singda makhoigi chanaba thabak fangbada achoba mateng oiragani haiki
ngasi masung hayeng any student moi job se da magi chanaba thabak ama phangnanaba madugi asha leibiraga de saida lakpiba resa tawbiraga laiba company singsiga dum interaction tawbiraga ma se matik chaba candidate am oiraga di soidana ki khudong chaba sei phangani hena khalle aduna manipur gi thabak naruina government ki sector da changmada akhoi khudong chadaba lehuraba singdudi masigi private sector gi corporate world gi environment sida amuktang khong thangjalaga masagi akhoi gi senthok lambi ama leinanabagi lambi masung madugi khudong chabadu job fair sidagi lominasi haina thamjage.
University administration, what can be a happier moment than such moments when our students are given opportunities to have interactions with representatives of various companies for making a future for themselves. I am extremely grateful to all the companies who are here. They have agreed to come to a very border state, and such are the need of the hour. These are the openings through which the talented and aspiring young students can be given opportunities to bring about a very quick process of